Good morning. Welcome to Forexample Trading. It's Tuesday the 13th of November and it's just gone 8:30 a.m. UK time or GMT for the purposes of our calendar. All right, yesterday was a waiting game. I recorded my video at the end of the day and that was mostly because I thought there'd be more to tell. There wasn't really. The Dixie just hung in the same place and that's where it's still sat now. However, today, and it's what I explained in the video yesterday, I believe is going to produce some very good opportunities, and that's because the Dixie will move either above that point or below it. It will move in one direction or the other, and that will free up a lot of the pairs that are just in a situation where they're hanging at the moment. So I'm going to show you that. Now, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, then you can do that via the subscribe button. Please do so, and then you'll get notifications of what we're doing. Often I give out information about what the markets are offering that day. Very simple, easy to understand stuff. It's what I've built my membership and business on, is providing a service or information that's easy for people, even if you're at absolute beginner level, to understand what I'm talking about. And it's how I've always conducted my trade, so I don't overcomplicate it. So it is well worth having a look. Just my outlook. I don't always get it right, but often I do. And then what we do is discuss those opportunities in the trading arena throughout the day, and as they develop and establish themselves, we can then put ourselves in a position where we can capitalize on those opportunities as they happen in real time. So if you want to join that and be part of that, and if you're a beginner, it's absolutely invaluable to you that you've got experts and experience that are saying, look, here's the ideas, we talk about them, we discuss them, and then we can select the best opportunities from those options that are going into the trading arena. If you want to discuss that, talk about your trading, you want any advice with that, then feel free to join the free chat Telegram group. I can arrange a call with myself and I'll go through where you are with your trading and hopefully help you a bit. If you want an EU regulated broker, IC Markets get round the ESMA regulations, which are very restrictive to new traders. They restrict your leverage, meaning you'd have to have a really large account to place any decent trades and ultimately make any decent money. But IC Markets get around that. They're who I use. I trust them implicitly, and a lot of our clients use those as well. You get a dedicated signals channel which replicates all of my trades, and of course that exclusive trading ring, as well as 2 full Forex courses from 2 different Forex experts, and that all comes with the membership. There's still spaces if you want to get involved, and do so. We can turn your trading as it stands. We can definitely improve at whatever level you're at. All right, let's have a look at the markets. I think there's a lot happening today, so I want to crack on. Okay, here's the Dixie on 4 hour, and this is now starting to drop. And what I said before was this channel that you can see, this blue and yellow channel here, if it breaks below into the blue channel, then we can start trading against the US dollar. If it breaks up towards the top of this yellow channel, then we're going to trade with it. And in actual fact, we're in a really good opportunity to place trades now. I don't really want to hang on this because you'll see how things are moving. Euro US dollar going up. GBP USD will be going up. Let's show you on a 1 hour. The ones that are real opportunities here, I believe, are this USD JPY, and that's because we've got a head and shoulders pattern you can see here. All right, that was identified. So we would expect it to drop all the way back down to this 113 level, and that is the best opportunity, I think. There you can see it very clearly. I don't think it'll push right up here, so we're probably at a turning point here. So we'll just wait for this to show green on a 1 hour. All right, I'll probably wait for the close of this candle. There's only 21 minutes left on it, and we should start to see it dive. And we'll see a long tail on it, and then it'll become bearish, and we can enter that trade as a sell. All right, USD JPY. That is my favourite trade at the moment. However, we do have Aussie US dollar. This is starting to form a head and shoulders pattern on 4 hour. So I expect this to move up, maybe slightly higher. All right, to around 726, somewhere around that level, and then come back down. All right, and that will allow for the US dollar to strengthen a little bit. But be cautious of this, because the Aussie and Kiwi dollars have been so strong recently, and still are, last time I checked. Yeah, I mean, we can have a look. I've got a strength meter here on my MT4, which you can see just here. This is showing actually that the pound is the strongest at the moment, and that actually will confirm. And here's the USD. Here's the USD JPY I've got up here, and it's just about to hit this resistance level. I think it will touch this and then we'll see it come back down. So that's a sell trade I'm going to enter very soon. That will go out as a signal. But here we go. There's activity starting in the group now. So I'm going to wrap this up. But ultimately, I'm expecting this Dixie to drop. It looks like it's breaking into this blue channel now. So we'd expect it to come down to at least 97.10, but probably go beyond that. So good opportunities here. Right. Let's have a look. So my picks of the day. Watch the Aussie and Kiwi US dollar pairings. Aussie JPY again in good position for the yen to start to take control. We want to watch that to see when it strengthens, but I do believe these are good opportunities. New Zealand yen, again, this probably push up to 77.2 and then come back down. Lots of messages coming into the group. I think it's because they know that I'm filming a video. So comments there, but I'll show you the activity in the group. There we go. So that's what I said this morning. AU, NU, UJ ones to watch, and then I've put up this. That's already gone up there. So we will be watching that to see how it develops. But I think there's a lot of activity going on in the group now. Gold also should be going up, and there you can see long tail on that candle, so we should see a rise on this. Loads of opportunities. News today, average earnings index, big news. Remember this Brexit thing still overhanging, so that's going to be bumbling on today, so just be aware for any sudden movements because of any announcements on that. There's a few US dollars, but ultimately I think the US dollar is going to weaken. The yen strengthen, and that means that we can start trading against the US dollar, and that includes gold, which has got a long way to go up now. You can see it's dipped right down below this channel that we're in, so expect it to move up at least into this channel. So we'll see how the day develops. Okay, look, have a good day, whatever you're doing. If you do want to join us, you can do so via all the links that are in the description below. I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great day's trading. Looks like it's going to be a very good day today. So I'm looking forward to it. Great stuff. See you tomorrow.